Hey everyone, Ted here again. I'd like to welcome you, and I'm really excited about this, to my new channel. It's called Go or No Go. It's a review channel, which I review products from various places. One of those places might be Amazon. But before we go any further, if you like what I'm about to do, or if you like my review, please look below and like it and share it. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Um, but today we're going to talk about leather. And if you get worn leather, if you get dirty leather, if you get discolored leather, especially discolored leather. Yeah, but if you want to restore your leather to its original color, I think I found a product, and we're going to test it in a little while. We're going to test it on my furniture. Hopefully it doesn't stain or anything, but I think you're in the right place. I think you're in the right place because I'm going to review it, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on what I think, if I think this product lives up to its notoriety. At the end of the video, again, please like or share. The product that we're going to be testing today is by a company called Furniture Clinic. It's a Leather Re-Coloring Balm. Furniture Clinic Leather Re-Coloring Balm. It has on here a good housekeeping stamp, which is positive. So went to Amazon, ordered it. Today we're going to see if it works out for us. Now, if you stay to the end of the video, I got a special free bonus for you. So stay to the end, and I'll get you that free product. Until then, let's go and see if we can get my leather couch back to its original look. Now let's restore this leather, at least this portion of the leather. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that, one, you've cleaned it. I've already cleaned this couch, so we don't have to go through that. The next thing you want to do is you want to test a portion of this product on an inconspicuous part of whatever leather you're doing, a portion of the leather that is not being seen by anyone or will be seen by anyone. So we've already done that. I did that last night. I waited 24 hours and we're successful. So we're able to. Also, you want to make sure that your leather is absorbent. In other words, it would absorb the liquid that we're about to put on it. So according to the instructions, I've completed the first two steps, which is cleaning and testing. The next thing I want to do is put on some good gloves. I know you can wash this stuff off with soap and water, but who wants to do that? I mean, just struggling washing all this black stuff off. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply liberally to my couch using the applicator. Okay, and as I apply it, I can see a difference already. But again, you want to apply this liberally, and you want to make sure that you get in between these little wrinkles that might come up. Okay, so it's applied. Make sure I get all these within these little wrinkles that most leather will have. And then once you've done that, it says to wait 10 minutes. And so I'm going to wait 10 minutes and see what our results are. Once I wait 10 minutes, let it dry a little bit, I'm going to come back and I'm going to buff it out. Once I buff it out, all that brown that you guys saw a little while ago should be gone. At least I hope that, we hope it is. So let's go wait 10 minutes and be right back. Well, it's been 10 minutes. Let's go ahead, take a nice soft cloth and buff this out. Now, when you're buffing it out, it's nothing, out of the ordinary or nothing extreme. The only thing you have to do is you have to pull the leather a little bit like so. Pull it a little bit and then buff. Buffing means just rubbing hard and fast. That's all it is. You can tell it's dry. Wow, this is nice. Oh, not bad, guys, not bad. You buff it enough, you even get a little shine. Okay. Well, that's the finished product, guys. That's the finished product. Hey, this is Ted. I'm back. It's been basically just a minute, and you can see I'm sitting on my couch right now as we speak. But as far as go, no go for my go, no go channel, I give this a go. This is definitely a go. I'm sitting on it. It's restored the color, and I'm satisfied. I'm happy with the product. Checking the links below this video, and you'll be able to order this product for yourself. Also, you will get a free bonus. Checking the link below, and you'll get your free bonus. Signing out.